to do a voiceover, y'all. Too much wind noise, but that's the tow rig. And my dog got the Chevy truck with it, you heard me? And this is the engine that's going into the white EK hatch. If you didn't watch a previous video, go check out the previous video so you get up to speed. You know what I'm talking about, feel me? So yeah, we got that's a stock intake manifold. You heard me? It's a B20B. Stock intake manifold. Stock throttle body. We got the headers right there. That's the same header that I'm running in my hatch. If you don't know my hatch setup, go check out the previous videos, man. You got the fuel rail setup going on. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. Got a stage 3 clutch with it. B16 trans. It's about to go crazy. But she calls it a tiny car. She said, "You're tiny cars. I can't do it, man." But she loves the passion, though. Adore it, man. And this is what, 97, the rear one, right?
That's 96. They only made it in 96.
Oh, okay.
They only made Midori hatches in the year 1996.
Nice. Look at the wheels. Ah, boy.
It's dirty.
Bro, it does not look dirty. And then we got
this one's dirty.
We got the coupe. Golly, the GSR coupe, different heart again. It's another heart. Golly. Yo, this is nice.
Yeah, it's all dirty. Riding in the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and my son.
Nice. Yo, I'm telling you, man. I need a garage like this, man. Golly. You did the interior in this one too?
Nah, it's all stock.
Oh, it's stock?
Yeah, it's all just stock. It's all stock interior.
But as usual, your shit clean anyway. Oh my god.
I didn't want to change the cluster out because it matches the blue and everything.
Yeah. Clean. And this one got full interior. Clean. Clean, man. Tell me.
You gotta get the rear.
Yeah.
Get up under the rear. I added a sway bar.
Yo, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get
Curves and turns extremely fast.
nice. Fire.
That's the front right there.
Oh, the build was B16, right?
Yeah.
Little B16 just
quiet.
chilling. Who wants it? Not talking about to buy it, but the race. That thing is built. We just hopped that 6. That is funny as hell. Oh my goodness, that's funny as hell. Yeah, we just hopped out to 16, I'm going into 18, you heard me? Shit. I gotta admit, the GSR is my favorite engine after the Prelude, the H22 on it. So I've never rode in a GSR car, so this is my first time. We gonna see. We gonna see. I'm feeling torque already.
It's the ECU, man. So I had a stock P72 on it, and I always thought the GSR was garbage, man. And I got my tuner down in Wichita to like whip me up something real nice.
Yeah.
And yeah, I've been impressed ever since.
It feels good, man. It's like I'm feeling the torque already.
Yeah. We're gonna go get gas, and then I'm gonna, cause this is a little low.
Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, I don't bottom out. I'm on max speeding rods, T6 drag coils with dampening. It's their more expensive set.
Yeah.
I don't bottom out at all.
Nice.
Car is slam. Rides pretty good, pretty comfortable.
Yep. Yeah, it feels real comfortable, man. I like the shifter too. It's nice.
Teflon eBay, man.
Shit.
I'll be on eBay. eBay's like
it works.
Good friend.
It works. Got a bunch of eBay stuff on my car. I mean, I don't see why people say, "Oh, eBay, not good," and that. No. Sometimes
some of it. So I've had bad experiences with some of the.
Yeah, some. That's true. That's true. That's true.
You just gotta do your research and stuff.
That's it.
It's still not warm yet.
Yeah, no, you good.
B-Tech went pop.
We don't want to break nothing.
It's just wide open.
Oh, shit! What? What? Oh, my God. Bro, I am definitely going GSR head.
Yeah.
I'll probably try B16 another time, but bro, golly! Oh my goodness!
You're gonna run out of gas.
What clutch you running?
It's a OEM Skunk 2? No. I'm not too. I think a competition. I'm not too sure.
Cause the clutch,
I got it.
Oh.
Yeah, I got it this way.
Oh.
I got it with the clutch, trans, and engine. I just did everything else because like the wiring was garbage. It needed a tune-up. The distributor was bad.
Yeah.
The vehicle speed sensor was bad. I got it from a guy who pretty much didn't know anything about it. He bought it from someone who knew all about it.
Oh man, bro, we're getting some gas right now, bro. This GSR is fire, bro. Listen, I might want to do a GSR swap or maybe a GSR head on the B20 VTEC GSR. Look out for it. I'm saying it now, speaking it into being. It's gonna happen. This just changed my whole perspectives on the B16 versus the GSR. I'm going with the GSR, man. I love the GSR, man. Hondas, I love it. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is how I want to beat on my car, man.
That's how I build them, man, so I can just
Yeah,
beat
just
on them
beat-
and not have to worry about
exactly.
anything.
Yeah. Oh, it holds that corner. Nice. This is fire. Man. Yo, I still can't forget the first time that I saw you with that red EK that you had. You know, remember back in the day, I came to buy, there was a guy that I came with, Soldier, and we came to buy a Honda.
Oh, that was you!
Yeah.
That was my red SI, bro. That was the start of everything for me.
Oh,
yeah,
right.
I didn't know that was you, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, he was supposed to buy it for 45.
Yeah.
I had just took the rack out.
Yep.
I took the automatic rack out, put a manual rack in, because when I got it, it was salvage. Remember you now?
Yep.
Yeah, that was a long time ago, Emilio.
Long time.
Yo, you never mentioned that. You never said that while we was working at Schuylkill.
We work at the same place.
Yeah, we
But
work at the same job, everything. I forgot all about that, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, that was the start of everything. That's when I was super broke, no money, no nothing.
Man.
That was the start.
Yeah.
That was like me working hard and grinding and getting up. Everything started with that car because I flipped that car and I got an EG and got another EG, and then I flipped both EGs, got a really clean SI, flipped that, and then just came up, started flipping cars, and now I got what I got.
Nice. Man, your collection is crazy, bro.
I'm just gonna keep expanding it.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro.
I want to do K series. I want to do something K series.
Yeah.
Get with the new wave and put all the old cars up.
Yeah. But yeah, the SI too. What year was it? 08?
07.
07.
2007 FA5.
Yeah.
FA5 4-door.
Yeah. That was a clean car too. I like that car.
It was clean, but it had a lot of issues. A lot of paint, and then the engine needed to be rebuilt. It still had good compression, but it was consuming a lot of oil. So
okay.
Yeah, it was consuming a lot of oil, and so it needed a full tear down rebuild. I'm into the B series. I didn't really want to rock out like that, so I just I sold it to someone who was gonna rebuild it and do all of that. They were very interested, so they got it.
Yeah.
And that journey with them has started with them.
Yep.
This was the SI replacement.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when I sold the SI, I went out and got this. I drove like 7 hours somewhere in Missouri, and I drove this all the way home.
This man, y'all saw the tow rig. This man don't play. He see a Honda, he needs it, he's getting it.
Yeah.
Shoot, man. I'm trying to be like him when I grow up, man. My boy collection. And you've been through so much Hondas.
Yeah, I've had Accords, I've had new Accords, old Accords.
Yep.
I've had a lot of EFs. I've had
Cause you had the black SI too.
Yeah, I had a black SI. It was a 99 SI.
Jeez.
Tragic story with that car. I'd still have that car if I wouldn't have put that in the ditch. Yeah. Somebody popped out on me, and in order not to cause a bigger scene, I had to put that car in the ditch.
Yeah. Shit happens, man, but you came back better. Can't lie.
Yeah.
Which car you got? You got the Midori?
Yeah, I got the Midori. As soon as I sold the SI for what it was worth, I turned around and found the Midori. Someone was in a tough situation and found the Midori. I scooped that up.
Man, this was an experience. This is what I'm talking about, man. Yeah. So before I close out the video, I want to hear from y'all, man. I want to know which build was your favorite, and if you already have a build, what is your build and why did you choose to go that route? So he had the GSR coupe, EK coupe. He had the B20 Midori hatch, EK hatch. He had the B16 EK hatch. He got another B20, the white one. That you see the title of the video. That's gonna be swapped. And the D series turbo. Now the D series turbo is ridiculous. I'm gonna see if I can get a video of that. I'm gonna see if I can do a video on that, like a little bit more detail and take a ride along. I drove in that car already. It's mad fast, yo. It's crazy. So let me know which build y'all would choose, and if you already have a build, write your build down below. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching, and we out.